Find the total cost function and the average cost function if the marginal cost function for the production of X unit piece of equipment are given by 3.2 minus 0.2x and the fixed cost is 2 ringgit and 40 cent. So we can find the cost function if we integrate the marginal cost, and we're going to integrate 3.2 minus 0.2x. So we're going to get cost function. Integrate 3.2 is 3.2x. Integrate 0.2x is 0.2x squared divided with 2 plus with k. So 0.2 divided with 2 is 0.1. To find k from the question, the fixed cost is 2 ringgit and 40 cent. It means that even though we didn't produce any product, but we still need to pay for the fixed cost, where the fixed cost here is 2 ringgit and 40 cent. Therefore, our cost function is 3.2x minus 0.1x squared plus 2 ringgit and 40 cent. Or you just may write down as 2.4. Now let us find the average cost function. So to find average cost function, we're going to divide our cost function with x. And how we're going to write the average cost is by writing the bar on the top of the C. So 3.2x minus 0.1x squared plus 2.4 divided with x is 3.2 minus 0.1x plus 2.4 over with x. So this is the cost function and this is the average cost function.